Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to reconnect social accounts in Buffer in 2026. If one of your connected social media accounts has been disconnected or Buffer is asking you to reconnect it, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Buffer account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for any notification or warning indicating that one of your social media accounts needs to be reconnected. Next, go to the Channels or Connected Accounts section. Here you'll see all the social media platforms currently linked to your Buffer workspace. Find the account showing the Reconnect message or warning icon. Now click the Reconnect button next to that account. Buffer will redirect you to the login page of the selected social media platform. Next, sign in using the correct account credentials if you're not already logged in. Make sure you're using the same account that was originally connected to Buffer. Now review the permission request carefully and click Allow, Authorize, or Continue to give Buffer access to your account again. These permissions are required for scheduling and publishing posts. Next, wait a few seconds while Buffer completes the reconnection process. Once it's finished, you'll be redirected back to your Buffer dashboard. Now check that the warning message has disappeared and your social account appears as connected. To confirm everything is working correctly, create a simple test post and schedule it for a future time. Finally, review your scheduled posts to make sure they are still in your publishing queue and ready to be posted automatically. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to reconnect social accounts in Buffer step by step. Your social media channels are now connected again, and you can continue scheduling and publishing content without any interruptions. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.